Hey beautiful people of YouTube, how you doing? So guys, do you like my new intro? So hey guys, welcome. So today I'm going to be doing a PR unboxing slash review. So this is a Nigerian brand, Confetti Beauty. They sent me their eyeshadow kit and their beauty blender or their beauty sponge. And guys, I love the packaging of this sponge. Can you see this? The packaging of the sponge is so cute. And yeah, so I'm just going to be doing a review of that. I already did my face makeup, so I'm just going to be trying out their eyeshadow palette, trying to recreate this look. So let me show you guys what the palette looks like. Wow. So guys, these are the colors of the palette. If you follow me on Instagram, I already showed you guys on Instagram when I first got it. This is how the palette looks like. We're going to do swatches of this. So let's first swatch. Let me remove my. Let's swatch amber. Ooh, damn girl! Oh my god! Oh my god! Wow. So let's swatch berry. I love shiny colors. Let's swatch berry. Oh my god. Like, this camera is not doing justice to this, how this looks in real life. It's so pretty. Let's swatch jasmine. This is like the white shade here. The white shining. If this white shows, trust me, Confetti Beauty, you guys have done it. If this white actually shows on me, oh my god. Like, yo, would I call this white or silver? Yeah, I don't know. But guys, can you see the way it looks? Like Confetti Beauty, Nigerian brand. Like Nigerian brands are going, like, they are going places, trust me. Like, wow, just I can't get over how this, especially the amber looks. Amber and berry. Let me not waste your time. Let's create this makeup. You guys, can you see this? This is gonna be serious practice. Hey guys, this sponge is actually working. Like, it's getting into all the corners. Ooh, Confetti Beauty. You guys really shocking me right now. So I'm going in with I'm going in with cinnamon, the shade cinnamon. I'm trying to be really careful here. Okay, this is not coming out as I expected. Like, the color is not showing. Like, it's on my brush, but it's not showing on my lid, so I think I just have to pack it in. Let's see if we pack it in more. Let's see if it will come out to show. Like, yo, I'm really packing this in, but it's not showing. So I think we'll just go with the shade Nutmeg. So the shade Tangerine. Let's try Tangerine. Let's see if it will work. The shade Cinnamon is not doing anything on my eyes. Okay. So I'm still going in with the shade Tangerine still. It's having fallout because like all my nose like it's falling out on my nose, but it's okay. Nothing a little, we can help with a little fallout. Just trying to make sure this shade shows, but I'm really packing it in. Like I really have to press on my my brush into the palette before it shows. So guys, we are having like a change of mind, a change of heart. That makeup look is really hard to do, so let's do another look. Can you guys see the look? It's just like a simple orange look. So I was like, let's try this one, because that one I was really failing at it. Like I was not going anywhere with that look. So I'm just going to try this simple look. So first we are going in with Tangerine. This eyeshadow palette, you have to really go in, like pack it in, or else it does not show, and there's a lot of fallout. Like for the price though, it's okay, but like it has a lot of fallout, so you just have to be, you have to be very careful, very, very careful. You have to pack it, like go into the palette. I had to go into the palette several times just to be able to achieve this, like the color, the desired color that I wanted. So next I'm going in with Nutmeg and Clove. Nutmeg and Clove. I'm just going to apply that using another brush. I'm just going to apply that on my lid. Just going to apply that on my lid. I had to pack this one. This Nutmeg had a lot of fallout. Like I think there's one that, can you guys see the way it's coming off my eyes? Like it had like the worst fallout ever. Like can you guys see the way like it's coming out? Like I just had to blow it off. It was not, it wasn't cute at all. But it actually came out nicely after applying it on my lid. It came out alright. It was not all that bad. It's okay. So I'm still going in again with Nutmeg. I had to go in several times to apply it onto my lid. I had to go in several times so it could, like, the desired color could come out. Then I had to go in with I cannot pronounce it. Regrat mode. I can't pronounce the name. I had to go in that, like, inner corners of my eyes. I really like the shimmer shades on this palette. Like it come out right nicely. Then I had to go. Now I went in with Tangerine. I used that for the under of my eyes. Guys, it did not show. It did, but like it wasn't really good. Like I had to. You guys will watch down the clip. I had to go in again. So guys, you guys know I love shiny shades. So I had to go in with Mandarin, like those shiny orange shades. I just had to go with that. Like I could not resist. I really like the shimmer shades. The Confetti Beauty shimmer shades are really nice. So I went in with that. Guys, applying the shimmer shades, you can't just like applying the Huda Beauty shimmer shades. It applies better with your hands than with brush. Like if you can only use brushes like to blend it together, but like applying it, you can't use. I won't advise you to use your hand like a brush. So now I just line my eyes and I'm just using a mascara. My lashes, my small lashes. I applied like the falsies. I'm going in with Tangerine again, and I had to go in and line under my eyes. Then it could show. Like I was really happy the way it came out now. I now had to go in again with the Bergerton. I told you guys I cannot pronounce it. So now I'm just adding mascara to my bottom lashes, and I'm lining my lips with the same pencil, like normal Daviva pencil. And I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. Like guys, this is the best gloss out there. I'm just going to use that to line my lips. So just give my lips like a luscious feel. So guys, that comes to the end of this video. I have to say, like, Confetti Beauty, they could work more on their eyeshadow palettes, but like they are really good. Like for a startup brand, they are really good, but they could add a little more work. But they really tried, like for a brand in Nigeria who like trying to make a name for themselves. They are really trying. Until I see you guys next time, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.
Quiero